I have been craving pasta for a couple days now, so I decided to make some baked pasta and Johnsonville sausage for dinner. Now I'm starting by cooking my fusilli pasta until it's just al dente. And I'm just going to saute up some onions and Johnsonville sausage. It is mild. I usually cook medium, but because my husband doesn't like that much spice, I chose to use mild. You can use ground beef, ground chicken, any kind of ground meat for this. Now in the meantime, I'm going to mix my cheeses and my garlic together. An egg. We will add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Add a teaspoon each of basil and oregano. I don't usually measure my spices, but I am going to today because I don't know if I'm using enough spice. So I will measure it out today. And some salt. This recipe will be in the description below for you, so you don't have to worry about writing it all down. And I will just mix together. We'll add some pepper as well. Get this all mixed together. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I love casseroles. I just love the one-pan dinners. Okay, I decided that my bowl wasn't big enough for everything, so I'm just going to put it all in a larger bowl. I'm now going to add my cooked pasta and my sausage and onion mix. Make sure I get all the onions, the sauce from the meat. And then I'm going to add a half of a jar of any spaghetti sauce you choose. Give it a good mix. I'm going to set that aside. And in a greased casserole dish, I'm just going to put a bit of sauce on the bottom. I'm going to add half of the meat and pasta mixture. Spread that around. Put a bit more spaghetti sauce on there. I'm going to probably use most of this bag of cheese. It's just shredded cheddar. And yes, I was camping last weekend and I'm just using up my shredded cheese. I don't usually buy shredded, but I don't shred it when I'm camping. So give it a good topping of the cheese. And then we'll start again with some sauce. And I'm going to use the rest of the pasta. Ooh, might have to put a pan under this in the oven. Okay, put the rest of the pasta and meat in here. Give it another spread around. Should have used my bigger casserole dish. Use more pasta sauce. And more cheese. This looks amazing. Okay. Now I am going to cover it with tin foil. I'm also going to put it on a tin pan because I have a feeling it's going to boil over because my casserole dish is way too small. So I will, I'm going to add a little basil to the top just for color. There we go. I will cover this up. And I'm going to bake this in a 350 oven for 20 minutes covered. And then I will uncover it and bake it again for 10 more minutes. Oh, you guys, check this out. It looks amazing. And it smells amazing. Look at that. Oh, the cheesy, all the noodles. This is a huge dish. I think everybody's gonna love it in your family. Oh, you guys, you gotta make this. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you in the next video.